Now, there are two ways to pronounce this word. When this word is used as an adjective, you would pronounce this as content. Content. Example: used to being alone, she was content with her own company. When the same word is used as a noun, you would pronounce this as content. Content. The contents of the box weighed over 100 pounds. Next word: famished. Famished. Example: I missed breakfast and I am famished. Nerve. Nerve. Example: you have got some nerve. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.